geometry question here where they're asking to name 4 other angles equal to 37 degrees. All you're given is that D1 is 37 degrees. Now, how did I get all these other 37 degrees? Well, let's take a look at it. The first one you can get is that A2 is 37. And why? Because it opens up to the same segment, BC. You see, D1 opens up to BC and A2 opens up to BC. Angles in the same segment are the same. So there's your first one. A2 is 37 degrees. Now, we know that A1 must be 37 degrees because we're told that BA bisects DAC. So because it bisects it, it must be the same. That's what bisect means. So A1 is 37. Well, now these OA, OD, and OC, they are all radii, and angles opposite equal sides or radiuses must be equal. So that's why D3 is 37 degrees, and it's also why C2 is 37 degrees. There, all done. Let's try the next one. Determine the size of each one of these. Why is M1 got to be 90 degrees? Well, because uh, an this is a midpoint, and a line from the center that goes through the midpoint is perpendicular. A line from the center to the midpoint is 90 degrees. So there's M1. Why is O1 74 degrees? Well, look at A1. It opens up to BC, and it's got an angle of 37. Or sorry, C2, say. Oh, O1. Yeah. That actually, I got that right. That 74 degrees should be right where O1 is. O1 is 74 degrees. I'm going to fix it in a bit. That O1 should be 74 degrees because it's twice as big as this angle, 37, and they both open up to BC. So I meant to put the 74 right there where O1 is. Why is D2 16 degrees? Well, angle ADB is 90 degrees, and these two are 37. It's got to add up to 90. Well, that's 74. Then D2 must be 16. And the reason is that this angle is 90 degrees. Angle on a semicircle. That's what I'm using. Now, the last angle. Why is B 53 degrees? Well, we know that's 90. We know that's 37. In order for angles in a triangle, this has got to add up to 90 degrees or 180 for the triangle. So 53 plus 37 is 90 plus this 90. That's making the angles in the triangle sum to 180. So B must be 53 degrees. And there's another question done.